25th January 2024. I am at Dewan Gawir, Machiang, and a bit late because the minister already gone after making speeches on that stage. Well, this is also a government function to reach the Rayat. At the counter day, there was some health counters, check cancer and normal health checks, and the mobile court bus is still parked there. They're just about to go home. The crowd is gone. There were a few customers seeking registration, and the mobile court is here. They had a few applicants for whatever, late birth certificate, late registration, maybe even apply for those. I see usually birth certificate, that is late registration. Okay. But the event is over. The magistrate were there just now. The very pretty magistrate was there. I just met them. Still the same. And some food garai down below. They had a gong also. They had a set of gongs there for welcome the minister. Well, sad to say, I came late. The participants there, some native court personals also turn up. Now there's the time for selfies. Yeah, ministry staff. So the minister was just leaving with a full police outrider when I left, when I came, and the VIP table for their lunch. Oh well, that is today's event in Malusia. So everybody is just packing up. The last to leave will be that mobile court bus. I've been inside that mobile court bus. You can have hearing in that also if you want, but I don't think there is much cases here today. More of a public relation and a public service. Right, boss? Very noisy here.